Hello. Let's write the alphabet. Brown, brown. Pink color, pink color. A, B, C, D. Next is E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, now after N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Let's read again. A for apple. B for ball. C for hat. D for doll. E for elephant. F for fish. G for goat. H for hen. I for igloo. J for jug. K for kettle. L for lamp. M for monkey. N for nest. O for orange. P for parrot. Q for what is Q for? Queen. Q for queen. R for rat. S for sun. T for tiger. U for umbrella. V for van. W for watch. W for watch. X for xylophone. Y for yacht. Z for zebra. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.